So the first question is the height of any point with respect to mean sea level is called options that is benchmark, datum, level surface, reduced level. So question पूछा गया है SSC JEE 2017 में. So the height of any point with respect to mean sea level is called that is reduced level, that is option D is correct. Next question है a relative fixed point of known elevation above the datum is called options है that is benchmark, datum point, reference surface, reduced level. So question पूछा गया SSC 2017 में. So relative fixed point of known elevation above the datum is called that is benchmark, that is option A is correct. So the next question is the reference point on which a day's work is closed and from where leveling is continued the next day are called as options हैं that is temporary benchmark, arbitrary benchmark, permanent benchmark, GTS benchmark. So question पूछा गया RRB SSC 2015 में. So the reference point on which a day's work is closed and from where leveling is continued the next day are called as that is temporary benchmark, that is option A is correct. Next question है the surface of zero elevation ground the surface which is slightly irregular and the curve is known as that is mean sea level, good surface, level surface, horizontal surface. So question पूछा गया SSC 2016 में. So surface of zero elevation around here which is slightly irregular and curved is known as that is mean sea level, that is option A is correct. Next question है the mean sea level adopted by the Survey of India for the reference is located at option है that is Kolkata, Mumbai, Delhi and none of these. को क्वेश्चन पूछ जाएगा SSC 2015 में. So mean sea level adopted by the Survey of India for the reference is located at that is Mumbai. Option B is correct. So the next question is the line normal to the plumb line is known as option A that is horizontal line, level line, datum line, vertical line. So question पूछा गया SSC 2008 में. So line normal to the plumb line is known as that is level line, that is option B is correct. Next question है a staff reading taken on a point those elevation is to be determined as a change point is called that is options है that is foresight reading, backside reading, intermediate side reading, long side reading. So क्वेश्चन पूछा गया SSC 2014 में. So foresight में क्या होता है अननोन पॉइंट्स के एलिवेशंस को हम लोग फाइंड करते हैं. बैक साइड में क्या होता है नोन एलिवेशन के पॉइंट का जो हम लोग पॉइंट्स को हम लोग बैक साइड लेते हैं एंड इंटरमीडिएट साइड दैट इज अननोन पॉइंट होता है दैट इज फोर साइड एंड बैक साइड के बीच में हम रेडिंग्स लेते हैं. लॉन्ग साइड इज लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में लेते हैं. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछा गया द स्टाफ रेडिंग टेकन ऑन अ पॉइंट हुज एलिवेशन इज टू बी डिटरमाइंड एज अ चेंज पॉइंट इज कॉल्ड दैट इज फोर साइड रेडिंग, दैट इज ऑप्शन ए इज करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द हाइट ऑफ इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज इक्वल टू ऑप्शन है रिड्यूस लेवल ऑफ बेंचमार्क माइनस बैक साइड, रिड्यूस लेवल ऑफ बेंचमार्क प्लस बैक साइड, reduced level of benchmark plus foresight, reduced level of benchmark intermediate side. So क्वेश्चन पूछा गया SSC 2014 में. So height of instrument जो is equal to होता है that is RL plus BS, that is back side. That means option B is correct. Next question है the line joining the points having the same elevations, that is option क्या है that is contour surface, contour line, contour interval, contour gradient. So question पूछा गया RPSC 2016 में. So line joining the points having the same elevation is known as that is contour line, that is option B is correct. Thank you.